Ryan from Bad Serve Music, and welcome back to another video. As always, if you need to reach out and you've got some questions or you need some help playing guitar, hit me up on my social networks. Now, this is a great song, No Time to Die by Billie Eilish for the new Bond film. Can't wait to see it. Such a great song. So thanks for tuning in. Now I'm going to show you the full, sort of more advanced method. I'll show you a 1-finger method and a 2-finger method as well. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to skip to these different parts in the video. So if you're advanced and you can play open chords like A minor, E minor, and C major, check out that first time. If you're just starting out and you're just using 1 finger, check out that second time. Or if you've been playing a little while and you want to play the song with power chords or 2 fingers, then check out that 3rd time. But otherwise, let's get started. So the song really revolves around 4 or 5 chords. Another great sort of pop 4-chord song. So I'm going to show you the full chords, and remember, here's the times below. So if you're just starting out, head to the 2nd time, not this first time, because I'm going to show you the trickier version. So let's go through each of the chords nice and quickly. So you've got E minor, played like that with those fingers. Then you've got C major 7 with those fingers. A minor, and then B7. Now B7's quite tricky because it's a bar chord, so using 1 finger to hold down all the strings, and then using a 2nd finger to help push it down. If that's too tricky, just play this version, a power chord with 2 fingers. And it's still going to sound great because of that sort of key change. Okay, so go back and check out those fingers if you're not sure, because this isn't a chord teaching video. This is obviously we're going to learn the song. Let's dive right in. Now it starts out a little bit slowly, so I would just do 1 strum. So you've got E minor first for the intro, C major 7, A minor, and then B7, or the power chord version. Intro again. Great. Then the intro sort of starts. Now throughout the song, there's a sort of a bit of a rise and fall. So as it sort of builds, that's when I'd start to strum. So rather than just 1 strum like the intro, maybe strum 3 times. Or even a little bit more. Completely up to you. Just listen to the song for different sort of strumming patterns. So the verse really follows 4 different chords. So here's the verse. We've done the intro now. Verse is E minor, C major 7, A major, which is played like this, and then A minor, and then A minor. So verse again, E minor, C major 7, A, then A minor. Think of the verse as having 3 parts. Here's the first part. E minor, C major, should have A major, A minor. Great. The next part, you don't play that A major. Leave A minor. And then it goes back to the first part. E minor, C major 7, show, and then a long A minor. Let the blood you bleed is E minor, the blood you B7. Now, because it's just the start, maybe don't do those strums, just let it sort of ring out, and then you start again. And when you do sort of build up, it'll sound that much better. That's the first verse. So we just did is just the blood you owe. Next part, again, goes back to part 1 and 2 of our verse. Just continue. So E minor, we were C major, a pair, A minor, E minor again, but C major 7, you A minor. Okay, then the last part of the verse, so part 2, E minor, C major 7 to bear, and then A minor, you were my life, but my life was E minor away from B7. Great, that's the entire verse. All of the verses done. Follow along with those chords, sing along just exactly like what I'm doing, and the lyrics are in the description if you need help too. Now you would call this section like the just the pre-chorus maybe, so was I stupid to love you? So that's a long C major 7 chord. So stupid to love you, was I E minor? Reckless to hell, A minor coming up, was it A minor to everybody B7? Then the chorus. Let's do that again. So here's the pre-chorus. So C major 7, was I C major 7 to love you? E minor, was I reckless to help? A minor, was it obvious to everybody B7? And then the chorus, and then we're done. So well done so far. Okay, so for the chorus, we're finally up to the chorus. That I'd fall in E minor, C major for a lie. You and E minor, C major 7, my side. So really, started the first 2 lines, that I'd fallen for a lie, you were never on my side, E minor, C major 7, A minor. And hold A minor, because it doesn't change. And then again, E minor, C major, A minor. Great, so for the fool me once, fool me twice, fool me once, E minor, so as soon as you hear that once, you should be on E minor. Fool me, E minor, fool me, C major. And then for death, are you A minor or paradise? So for the next part, now you'll never see me cry. Now you'll, so never, E minor, C major 7, me cry, A minor. There's, and then for just, no time to die, on just you play B7. And on die, you go back to E minor. And then it's just the intro again, and then the whole song just repeats. And that's the entire song. So check out the link to the chords and the lyrics in the description below. Follow along, but now you know how to play it. So even for the refrain, it's those chords you already know. For the interlude later on, it's the chords you already know. And for the outro, it's the same chords again. So well done. So this is the 1 finger method for you if you're just starting out. So 1st finger, 2nd fret, 5th string. Play that with the open 6th string. Move your 1st finger onto the 3rd fret, same string, that's your C. Then move it up to the 5th fret on the 6th string and play that twice. And that's the 4 chords. And play that throughout the song. Now for the pre-chorus, when it goes, was I stupid to love you? Was I reckless to help? Was it obvious to anybody else? Same chords, but just in a slightly different order. So, was I stupid to love you is on C, so 3rd fret of the 5th string. Stupid to love you. Back a fret for E. Was I reckless to help? Then up to A. Was it obvious to everybody? Move up 2 frets. Once again, was I stupid to love you? Was I reckless to help? Was it obvious to everybody? 7th fret, 6th string. And then chorus, and you've almost learnt the entire song. So, for the chorus, it's E, C, and A, or these 3 notes. And you just let it breathe, and then do it again. Great, that's the first 2 lines of the chorus. That I'd fallen for a lie. So once you're up to fool me once, fool me twice, it's just the first 2 chords of that. Fool me once, fool me twice, and then up to the 5th fret, death or paradise, and then you'll never see me cry, same 3 chords before. And for the last line, there's just no time to die, you just play the 2nd fret on the 5th string, no time to die, then it starts again. And that's it, that's the 1 finger method. That's the intro and the verse and the chorus, everything. Have some fun and play along with the song, enjoy. Okay, so welcome to the 2 finger version. 2 different fingers for lots of power chords. Great song to play. It revolves around 4 chords. So your first chord is E, then a power chord with your first finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, and your 3rd finger below that with the 5th fret on the 4th string, and that's your C major power chord. You jump up a string, and you have your first finger on the 5th fret and your 3rd finger on the 7th fret, just like the tab below, and you play that, that's your A power chord. And then you move up 2 frets and that's your B power chord. So that's the intro. Now for the verse, it's slightly different. Intro, done, well done. Here's the verse. E, C, A. Then you just let it ring. And again. And again. And you just repeat those 4 chords constantly for the verse. Now the part where it changes is the pre-chorus. So it's just those 4 chords for a 4-chord song. Now in the pre-chorus it changes. Was I stupid to love you? So that's when you make a power chord on C, 3rd fret of the 5th string, what we did before. Was I stupid to love you? Was I E minor or E power chord? Reckless to hell. Then up to the 5th fret 6th string. Was it obvious to every move up 2 frets? I'll do that again. Was I stupid to love you? Was I reckless to help? 5th fret 6th string. Was it obvious? Move up 2 frets for me. And then we're up to the chorus, and that's the whole song, so well done. So the chorus, you play E power chord, C power chord, then up to A power chord. Let's do that again. Repeat it one more time. You're never on my side. Okay, then it slightly changes. Fool me once, fool me twice. Are you death or paradise? So E minor, fool me once, fool me twice. Are you death or paradise? Now you'll quickly E, C, and A again, same as the verse. You'll never get to hear me cry. Then move up 2 frets. There's just no time to E. Do that again. So fool me once, fool me twice. Are you 5th fret of paradise? E, C, and A. Now you'll never get to don't cry. 7th fret, that time to E. And that's it. So a little bit silly as I'm saying the lyrics and playing the chords, but that's it. Have a lot of fun. Play along with the song. If you want to solo, maybe solo in like a G sort of major. Sort of G major, sort of major scale sort of vibe. If you want me to teach you how to solo, leave a comment below. But that's the end of the video. Check out everything else. All links in the description. Hit me up on Instagram or Facebook if you need help. I'll see you all again real soon. Bye.